And again, there's a button on it, and to push them all the way through.
I think they used to come in.
Well, there's one for each one. There's another one. This one is big, so just jump up and just hang on.
Okay, here it is.
This balloon was made in 1992, so it's an old lady. Oh, you can just pull that phone off. It's this hole and this hole. Yeah, that's what they go through. And you may have to wiggle it or push on it to line them up.
Push the little button on the back end, yeah.
And then put the keeper, push the button and put the keepers on. These go right over the ends.
There we go. Got him? All right. Oh, they've got keepers too. There we go.
This one is moving.
Well, yeah, they can move back and forth as long as they don't come out. See, that's what that keeper's for, to keep that bearing from coming out. All right, Pat, we're locked and loaded.
Aerostar had this peculiar, we have to have crash helmets for a crash.
Oh, really?
Now, the reality is, we've never used them. Not because I haven't hit hard, but because who can get them out of the bag and on their head? Kind of one of those crazy rules that happened, and because it's a rule and in their book, the FAA would enforce that.
Right. Do we need to center that up with the balloon? Oh, not much. Okay.
This needs to come right over here.
Oh, the motor? Okay.
Just
oh, it's got wheels.
Yeah, it's got a wheel.
We'll use those.
There we go.
come on, help me pull it over. I'll start you.